Hello my dear students, my name is Mukesh Janma and I keep uploading videos about the spoken English group discussion debate competitions. Nowadays our debate and group discussion videos are highly appreciated and most of the people are requesting that please keep uploading more and more videos about group discussion and debates because they don't find these type of videos on any other channel or other platform. So we are having a new topic today, that's successful life versus satisfied life. It's a very nice topic. I'm sure you're going to learn a lot of things from this topic, but if you're new to the channel, subscribe and press all bell icon. Without any further ado, we are going to start this discussion with our students too. They are favoring satisfied life. Here they are favoring successful life is better, right? So we will begin with the Lavina. What do you favor and how would you start?
Sir, so
You can start.
Sir, so I think that satisfied life is more better than successful life, because I just want to quote here is that successful life can be measured by the others, but a satisfied life is measured by our own mind, peace, and heart. And there is no ending of the successful life, like one after the other. You need some resources, you need some things, or suppose you have to crack some exam, so success is based upon that. But I think satisfaction is more likely to attach with your self-esteem.
Okay, so first point came out from this satisfied life. This side, Murli, would you counter anything or let's take views? Yeah, first Vikram, you share.
Firstly, I would like to thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. And I'm favoring that satisfied life is a happy life. If we want a successful, but if we are not satisfied, that is not good. I think if we want to be happy in our life, we have to choose one stage. For us successful, I'm successful now, and I just have to satisfy with my life. So that is my.
Okay, this side, yeah, Murli, you favor that successful life. Please conclude your points.
Through the successful life, sir, successful people create more opportunities for the other peoples also and for themselves, and they achieve more and more goals in their life, and they become successful, sir.
I mean, nice point came out that successful people create more opportunities for the other people. Yeah, Harsh.
Sir, I am favoring successful life, and my point is that being a satisfied life, we cannot become Top Gun. If we are successful, we can become a Top Gun. We can be famous, like Mukesh Ambani, Gautam Adani. They are successful and they are famous.
So, I mean, somebody satisfied, it means the growth is stopped. I mean, they cannot become popular, they cannot be famous. Any counter question on this?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have a question for you. Is that in order to become successful, you have to try very hard. You have to work so hard. So, don't you think you don't get enough time to be satisfied with your life, with what you have? Like, you have to run one thing after another.
Who wants to answer? Both of you. You.
According to me, work is worship, ma'am. And successful people, we remember successful peoples. So this is good, and they work for country also. They work for the nation, and they increase our GDP. Yes, sir.
Any more counter questions? Yeah.
Sir, you said successful life is good. For my opinion, I have one example of Top Gun. Like have you heard about Nikola Tesla? He invented AC motor, but he was not satisfied with their life. Okay, he's successful, but he was not satisfied, and at the end of time he died because of that time he was lonely and he was deep in debt.
So he was successful, but he was not satisfied. Yeah. Any more replies or counters?
Sir, I have reply. You were saying about Nikola Tesla, and leave that. There are n numbers of successful men, Elon Musk, and many others. I don't want to tell you. They are successful, but they don't commit suicide, and they don't. So,
I mean, you are giving the exclusive example. Like he means to say that everybody is not like that. Do you have any counter question from them with their opinion?
Sir, I
any
have a
more?
question. Sir, do you think that successful people can be a satisfied person at the same time?
Please, ma'am, repeat again.
Yeah, so can a person can be both successful as well as satisfied at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please give
Can you
some
give
examples?
examples like person who is satisfied as well as successful?
Yes, ma'am. A person, he become both successful and satisfied. He got their goals. Just have example. Person A want to become a singer, and he achieve his goals. Then after that, he satisfied with life. He know what he is, and he is satisfied with his life. That I am a singer and I am good in my work. Then everything is okay.
Okay. Now, to the YouTube viewers, now I want to tell you that what do you think? Satisfied life is better or successful life? Or is there any relationship between both the lives? Write your views into the comment section. From past 1 month, I have been observing to my many fans and my YouTube students. They are writing their views into the comment section, and it's a big achievement. It's a good thing, guys. Some people they write this is good, this is not good, but some people they write in detail, and that point I always read. You please continue this discussion. We are running short of time. It was a short discussion after every Sunday when debate is held in our offline classes. We always get together, and even sometimes they deny, sir, we are not well prepared, but they are committing some mistakes. They are committing some errors. But learners are never scared from the errors. If you're scared from committing errors, it means you can never get expertise. I've seen several people, they are scared, sir, I'm not prepared and I'm not perfect. I'm not having expertise. They keep thinking for the years, but they never improve. That's why never worry about the problems, never worry about the errors. Start speaking in front of the people, because debates and group discussions are the only keys to make yourself successful in the spoken English and communicative English. Enough for today. We'll be right back having a new group discussion topic. Till then, keep sharing your views on YouTube. Thank you.